Now we're going to learn about commercial dishwashers, machine construction details. Commercial dishwashers, machine construction, details. Commercial dishwashers are specifically designed for high-capacity and heavy-duty cleaning in restaurants, hotels, and other large establishments. These machines differ significantly from residential models, not only in terms of performance but also in their construction, as they need to withstand frequent and intensive use. Understanding the construction details is crucial for anyone dealing with the maintenance, servicing, or operation of commercial dishwashers. Exterior casing and materials. Commercial dishwashers are typically constructed using durable, corrosion-resistant materials to withstand the harsh conditions of a commercial kitchen environment. Stainless steel. Construction. The majority of commercial dishwashers are made from stainless steel. This material is highly durable, resistant to corrosion from water and detergents, and easy to clean. Stainless steel also has good heat retention properties, which helps in maintaining high temperatures for sanitization. Insulated panels. Many commercial dishwashers have insulated side panels to reduce noise and heat loss. This also contributes to energy efficiency by retaining heat within the machine, making it more effective during the washing and drying cycles. Wash and rinse systems. Commercial dishwashers have powerful wash and rinse systems to ensure that dishes are cleaned efficiently, even when heavily soiled. Spray arms. The wash system usually includes multiple spray arms that are placed both above and below the racks. These spray arms rotate, distributing pressurized water and detergent to clean dishes from all angles. The spray arms typically have multiple nozzles designed for effective water dispersion, ensuring full coverage. Water jets. Some higher-end commercial dishwashers may also have additional water jets to provide extra force, specifically targeting areas with heavy food residue. Rinse nozzles. The rinse system in commercial dishwashers is designed for thorough rinsing using high-pressure jets of clean, hot water. This ensures that detergent and food particles are fully washed away, preparing dishes for the drying phase. Washing compartment and doors. The internal washing compartment is where the main cleaning processes occur. Large capacity racks. Commercial dishwashers have larger racks or multiple racks designed to accommodate a greater number of dishes, trays, and utensils. The racks are usually removable and adjustable, allowing for versatile use depending on the type of dishes being cleaned. High temperature tolerance. The washing compartment is designed to handle high temperatures, often exceeding 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius, to meet sanitization standards. The interior materials, usually stainless steel, can tolerate repeated exposure to both heat and chemicals. Door types. There are two primary door types in commercial dishwashers: lift or hood type doors. These doors are common in pass-through or conveyor-type dishwashers. They are designed to be easily lifted, allowing staff to quickly load and unload dishes. Swing or drop-down doors. Found in under-counter models, these doors open outward or downward, similar to residential dishwashers, though they are much more robust. Water heating systems. Commercial dishwashers require very hot water to properly sanitize dishes. Built-in water heaters. Many commercial units have built-in water heaters that ensure water reaches the required temperature for sanitization. These water heaters can be either booster heaters, which quickly heat water to the appropriate temperature before the rinse cycle, or continuous heating elements that maintain the water temperature throughout the washing process. Heat exchangers. Some high-efficiency models use heat exchangers to reclaim heat from the outgoing water to preheat the incoming water, making the machine more energy efficient. Drain and filtration systems. Proper drainage and filtration are critical in commercial dishwashers to maintain hygiene and cleaning performance. Drain pumps. Commercial dishwashers have powerful drain pumps that remove dirty water at the end of each cycle, In larger machines, multiple drain systems may be used to ensure efficient water removal after the wash and rinse cycles. Filters and traps. These machines are equipped with robust filtration systems that trap food debris and prevent it from recirculating in the water. Commercial dishwashers typically have multi-layered filters that can be easily removed and cleaned. Some units feature automatic filter cleaning systems that help prevent clogging and ensure efficient water circulation. Controls and sensors. The control systems in commercial dishwashers are more advanced compared to residential units, offering a high degree of programmability and automation. Digital control panels. Most commercial dishwashers are equipped with digital control panels that allow operators to select from various wash cycles, adjust water temperature, set timers, and monitor machine performance. Temperature and pressure sensors. Sensors in commercial dishwashers monitor both water temperature and pressure throughout the wash and rinse cycles. These sensors ensure that the machine maintains optimal conditions for thorough cleaning and sanitization. If there is a drop in temperature or pressure, the machine may pause or alert the operator to ensure proper cleaning standards are met. Water level sensors. These sensors regulate the amount of water entering the dishwasher, ensuring there is neither too much nor too little water for efficient operation. They also help prevent water wastage. Drying systems. Drying is an essential phase in commercial dishwashers, particularly for establishments that need to quickly turn around large volumes of dishware. Heat drying. Many commercial dishwashers use an internal heating element for drying dishes after the rinse cycle. The heat evaporates any remaining moisture, leaving the dishes clean and dry. Condensation. Drying. Some models use a condensation drying process, where the hot, moist air inside the machine condenses on cooler surfaces and is then drained away. This process reduces energy consumption compared to traditional heat drying. Electrical systems. Commercial dishwashers require a robust electrical system due to their power demands. High voltage power supply. Commercial units often require a higher voltage power supply, typically 208 to 240 volts, to operate their heating elements, motors, and pumps. Safety features. Commercial dishwashers include safety features such as overload protection for the motors, automatic shut-off if the machine detects a malfunction, and temperature cutoff systems to prevent overheating. Plumbing and water supply. The plumbing system of a commercial dishwasher is built to handle large volumes of water under high pressure. Water inlet valve. The water inlet valve is connected to the building's water supply and controls the amount of water entering the machine. Booster pump. For optimal cleaning performance, many commercial dishwashers use a booster pump that increases water pressure during the wash and rinse cycles. This helps remove stubborn food particles. This summary condenses the key points for easy recall.